cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. A doctor actually spent 60 years cracking just one hand to find out. The result, no difference in arthritis between his hands. That popping sound is simply gas bubbles releasing in your joint fluid, and multiple studies confirm it doesn't lead to arthritis. However, research did find that habitual knuckle crackers may have slightly weaker grip strength compared to people who do crack their joints. There's also rare cases where aggressive cracking led to hand swelling or ligament injuries. But cracking fingers is so satisfying. If you want that satisfying release without any risk, try gently stretching your fingers instead. The science is clear. Cracking won't give you arthritis, but moderation is still key.